irritants, hair fall, dandruff, fizzy hair. Solution चाहिए इन सब problems का? The Herbalist Hair Oil and Hair Mask is the best duo to eliminate all your hair problems. Apply the hair oil 2 to 3 hours before taking a shower to get healthy long hair. The Herbalist Hair Mask is a blend of 7+ organic herbs, adding warm water and yogurt in it to make a thick paste. It treats bald patches, receding hairline, and alopecia, strengthens hair roots to prevent hair fall, encourages regrowth of new hair, prevents dandruff, promotes hair health and scalp health.